Hello guys, it's Esosa here. You are welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. So today guys, we are going to make egusi pepper soup, aka oilless egusi soup. Just so you know guys, egusi is high in protein, vitamin, essential nutrients. First, I'm going to boil my protein. For this recipe, I am using smoked turkey, add some seasoning cubes, some salt, and some paprika powder. Leave that to boil for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes guys, set aside. Next, I'm going to fry my egusi. When you fry the melon seed, it adds flavor to the soup. I fried it for about 15 minutes. Transfer the fried egusi into a blender. Blend until smooth. Pour the blended egusi into the pot. Next, I'll go ahead and add the blended onions and crayfish mix. Next, add some fresh catfish. Add the smoked fish. Add some pepper soup spice, grinded pepper, seasoning cubes. I didn't add salt because the salt in the soup is just right. So guys, my egusi pepper soup is almost ready. So lastly, I'm going to add dry vegetable. This type of vegetable is the one that you use for banga soup, okay? So I'm currently checking to see if the soup has thickened Yeah, so guys, my soup is ready. Okay, absolutely gorgeous. My soup is ready. As you can see, it looks amazing and tastes amazing as well. Okay, so you can pair egusi pepper soup with gari, aka eba. You can also pair it with starch or pounded yam. So today I'm gonna be pairing mine with starch. This soup tastes really good. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Always stay fabulous and remain blessed. Bye.